Hello viewers, welcome back. And in this video, I shall try to talk about how to manage time in exam. It is a very difficult subject to talk, but still, from my own personal perspective, experience, whatever I know, I would like to express through this video, and I hope it will benefit you directly or indirectly. Okay. Okay. Now let's begin the discussion. Number one thing is when you talk about time management in the exam hall, the first thing which you need is it is a very basic and simple thing, that is you must have a wristwatch. You must have a wristwatch because some digital watch, those are not permitted by the examination committee or the authority in the exam hall. So you try to buy non-digital wristwatch, and that is the first preliminary step. And the second thing is according to your question mark. For example, you have 80, full mark is 80 and 20 marks is for practical or internal mark. Now we will talk only about theory part. 80 mark, your full mark is 80. Now you have to check how many long questions are there. How many? If five long questions are there, and those five questions, it uh, contains 10 marks. Okay, if it contains 10 marks, then each question carries 10 marks. Sorry, yes, each question carries 10 marks. So now you have to divide your time according to question. Okay, now you have to fix that for 15 mark question or for 10 mark question, how much time I will allot, like 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes, like that. You have to make your plan. Okay, in that way, you will not leave any question. Okay, and if you do not leave any question, if you have done 80 out of 80, 100 out of 100, then only your chances of getting significant marks or magnificent mark, that has its surety. That's why I always suggest this to my students, that you have to touch all the questions, and that can be done only through that allotment of time. Okay, that thing. And another thing is, before going to examination hall, you have to do a lot of answer writing practice. You have to do writing practice. You have to have writing skill. Otherwise you will struggle and suffer in the examination hall. And another thing is, some students, they have excellent knowledge. They know most of the things from the text or from the lesson or from the syllabus, but the real problem is that their writing pace is very slow. They cannot write fast, and they cannot put whatever they have inside their mind through words. Okay, and that will to hamper your mark. Why? Because if you have immense knowledge, abundance of knowledge, that does not matter to the examiner, because he has not seen you, because he has not personally known to you. That's why he does not know who are you. Only your roll number will be there. That's why as he does not know about you, how he will know that this guy is very brilliant, he works hard. That's why you have to now express your knowledge through that answer sheet, through that writing. That's why answer writing is needed. You have to pour all the knowledge you have through words, through sentence, through the answer, through the paragraph of the answer. That thing you keep in mind. Okay. And another those are some of my personal advice, and one of the advices is please focus on time. Okay, because if you have seen that 30 minutes is gone, and for 15 marks you have assigned 30 minutes. Okay, then you from then on, from that point on, you have to leave that question. Just don't write on and on and on. In that way, your other question will be left out, and that will be very problematic for you. Okay, I hope you have understood what kind of point I'm trying to make here. Okay, that is the thing. And another tip to what do you call it? Yeah, manage time in the examination hall is you all will need extra or loose seat in the examination hall, or the extra seat for to write the answer. So if you keep on asking the teacher for second time, third time, fourth time, that will also waste your time, because time is precious. You don't have time. So what you have to do is from the beginning, if it is possible, then you can collect at least 3 or 4 extra loose papers. Okay, then that you can collect, and if it is not written by you, or if that is not used, then you can return back those papers. In that way your time is saved. And the first 5 or 10 minutes of the exam, you have to do one thing, and that is very carefully you have to fill up the answer sheet. Then very carefully you have to sign where your signature is needed. And another thing is, uh, do not forget to bring or take admit card, registration card, Aadhaar card if it is needed according to your circumstance that you have to do. And first 5 or 10 minutes, at least you read the question paper at least twice or thrice. At least 2 times or three times is must. You have to read it. Otherwise, many students, they just forget to read the whole question, and then whatever the first or second line they are now that is visible to them, they just starts writing. In that way also it will hamper. Okay, don't do it. That is one of the advices from my side. And another thing is, uh, take at least 3 or 4 pen with you, and before the examination, do not eat anything that will hamper or that will become obstacle. Okay, like do not consume meat, fish, egg according to your health, and do not go for the party like that you all know, but that's I'm saying. And another thing is, before the examination hall, please revise all the notes. Okay, daily you have to revise, and then you have to do the answer writing practice. And when you are doing answer writing practice, please keep in mind that you should also know how to organize your ideas, thoughts, and things that you are about to pour through by answer in the examination hall. That you keep in mind. I hope it will help you. Thank you so much for watching the video. Bye bye.